Pagayan and support aircraft located up ahead. Take down the air fleet to cause major damage to the hostile forces. I know some guys who are gonna get a fat paycheck. Enemy aircraft closing in. UN forces! Bad news brought company. Preparing Nimbus. Nimbus launch preparations complete. What? Launch Nimbus! Launch Nimbus! Their support aircraft are equipped with ECM systems. Warning, cruise missile launch sighted. Incoming enemy cruise missile. Get out of the danger zone. Take out the support aircraft before you attack Moby Dick. Cruise missile impact. Moby Dick has a cruise missile equipped with an explosive warhead. No time to rest. Prepare Nimbus for launch. Cruise missile, watch out. Allied aircraft have commenced assault on Moby Dick. Intercept anti-aircraft guns first. Keep them away from the main unit. They have CODIS in their sights. Gunner, give them sealed rain. CODIS's engines can now be locked on. Slow it down, ASAP. Gygis is heavily armed and will destroy you if you get too close to Moby Dick. Stay alert, stay alive. All engines on CODIS 1 destroyed. Aim for CODIS 1's cockpit and send it to the scrap heap. Gygis is still kicking. Destroy Gygis first. Close all rear hatches. We're on fire. Second CODIS unit destroyed. ESM plane CODIS has been shot down. CODIS down. Enemy planes approaching. Fire a barrage. Don't let them near the main unit. Intercept the anti-aircraft guns first. Second starboard gun emplacement bombed. Fifth port gun emplacement. Were there any replacements? All ESM pods destroyed. ECM system eliminated. Radar clear. All units, confirm your hunt. Attack CODIS 2's engine. No answer from the fire control officer! All anti-aircraft guns destroyed. Attack Gygis 1's engine. Gygis 2 destroyed. All anti-aircraft guns on Gygis 2 destroyed. Destroy Gygis 2's engine. All that's left is Pagayan, otherwise known as Moby Dick. All anti-aircraft guns on Moby Dick destroyed. Demobilize Moby Dick. Destroy all engines. Third starboard gun emplacement destroyed. First support port gun emplacements have been hit. All engines on Moby Dick destroyed. All engines stopped. Enemy aircraft in the rear. Aim for the gunners in the back. Aim for Moby Dick's front cockpit. We got hostiles on our 12. Moby Dick cockpit destroyed. Moby Dick has been shot down. Enemy air fleet destroyed. Good job. All right. Crushing their air forces should slow them down. Respect for the brave fighters